How many points make a straight line? Yes, Kaloy.
Ma'am, we need at least 2 points to draw a line.
Tulad nga ng sabi ni Kaloy, kailangan natin ng 2 point para makagawa ng isang linya. The first method of graphing linear equations is called the slope-intercept method. Ito ay dahil gagamitin natin ang slope at ang y-intercept para mag-graph ang linear equation. First, we need to write the equation in the form y is equal to mx plus b. In this equation, the m refers to the slope of the line and b refers to the y-intercept. Ibig sabihin, kung gagamitin natin yung 3x minus y equals negative 2, kailangan muna nating isalin sa form na y equals mx plus b. Ganito ang paraan para maisulat natin ang 3x minus y equals negative 2 sa slope-intercept form. Ang resulta ay y equals 3x plus 2. This is the form of the equation that we will use. From here, we could already identify the slope and y-intercept of this equation. The slope of the line is equal to 3, or as a fraction, 3 over 1. And the y-intercept is 0, 2. We assume here that the x is 0. Ngayon na alam na natin ang slope at ang y-intercept, pwede na natin i-graph ang linear equation na 3x minus y equals negative 2. Firstly, let's plot the y-intercept 0, 2. Then using the slope, we locate the next point on the line. The slope is 3 over 1, which means that our line rises 3 units and runs 1 unit. Sa madaling sabi, magdadagdag tayo ng 3 units sa y at ng 1 unit sa x. Because our first point is 0, 2. We add 1 unit to the x coordinate, 0, and 3 units to the y coordinate, 2, which gives us our next point at 1, 5. Now let us plot the second point, 1, 5. By connecting these 2 points, we now have the graph of the equation 3x minus y equals negative 2.